Good afternoon, and today we're going to learn about the 8 things you will need to know when you update your Sogos website in WordPress. And we're going to start with item number 1, and that is how to log into the site. First, you're going to go to this web address on top, which is soho.dangerproduction.com/wp-login.php. That WP stands for WordPress. Now right here is my username, and I'm going to put my password in, and we should be taken to the dashboard. See, it says dashboard up on top up here. So right now we are at the dashboard, which is the back end of your Sogos website. And from there, since we already know how to log into the site, we're going to go to item number 2, where to go to change or or change information about your theme. Now I'm going to do this a little slower so that you will get an understanding of what to do. Right here it says Sogos Resturant. If you click on this, it has the little wheel there for setting. It's going to go to theme settings. It's going to give you the general options, the home page, color settings, social, which is for your social media, and the contact page. From here, I'm going to highlight where it says Sogos Resturant here, because this black bar shows you that I'm logged in right here. And I'm going to visit the site by opening it in a new tab. Now once I open it, because I'm logged in and I'm live on the site, it's going to also show this black bar so that I can go back to the site very easily just by clicking right here. Dashboard, theme, customize, widget, menus, all of these things here. So let me go back to the site. Now the general options is just the general information about your header logo, which is, this is your header, and the favicon and the footer information, basically the information that's going to be on the front of your screen. You have the contact us page, and you put your email address, which is in the footer. If you go down to the footer, you see all this information right here. You have your copyright information. That's with the theme. All of that information is already set. And as you can see, you didn't want to make a reservation information there, so I went ahead and clicked that off so that it doesn't show. The next part is what is going to be displayed on your home page. We have the 3-box slider. The 3-box slider is actually this 3-box slider right here. 1, 2, 3. Matter of fact, let me go up a little higher. This same 3-box slider. If you want, you can change it to the post content slider, and it will give you a different view of how it looks. This information is set automatically, but if you want to adjust it as far as how long you want the slides to display, you can go in there and adjust it. For the sake of time, we actually left it the same way. And the place that you want to be discarded is your home page, so you have that set. And you want it to be your post type to be the menu type post. But right now we're not using any post because this is not actually like a blog or anything like that. The color setting is basically what color do you want your make a reservation tab to be. And right now we have those unselected because we're not using that function. Social media, that's basically all your social media account, whether it's Google, Facebook, Twitter. In the future, all you need to do is add your information here, and people can contact you through Facebook or Twitter. Your contact us page says thank you for contacting Sogos Resturant, and this is the information. If you go to the contact us page or tab, it's going to bring up a page right here. And that information that is here, let us know what you think. It's basically the information that's going to show up down here. So basically, if your customer was to send you an email, you would link that to the very same email that's on the original page, and then you will receive an email in your inbox. I have the map disabled because you would have to actually have the right information to put the map in there. So this is the general information about your theme, which is the overall layout of your site. That's what your theme is. Okay? There's one thing I want to show you about this information right here and the contact us page. There's an actual page that you actually enter this information right here. And I'm going to show you that page right now since we're there. I'm going to go to pages, all pages, and I created a contact us page just so we can have that information. So I'm going to click on the edit button. I could have clicked on view, but clicking on edit shows you the information. And I'm just waiting for it to update. Alright, so this is the contact us page that coincides with the contact menu for your theme and the contact tab, and it's all this information right here. So when you go back, you can see it right here. Alright, so that ends item number 2, which is where to go to change or update information about your theme. Step number 3 is how to add and delete pages. So I'm going to go back to the pages menu, and I'm going to show you how to add a page. So we go to pages, and then we click on all pages. If I want to add a new page, I'm going to click on add new. And once I do that, I have to give the page a title. So let's call this leftover. Items. So we're actually creating a page that's called leftover items. Now, once you create that page, you have to tell that page exactly where you want it to be. So you will actually click create a page. For example, if I wanted it to go on the home page, I would click home, right? And I would just leave it there. And I would say, what to do with leftover items. Now, I'm not going to publish this page, but I can preview the page by clicking the preview button here, and it's going to take you back to the website and show you that there's a page created. Now, if I wanted to basically make this page be a part of the menu up here, I'm going to show you that later on. But this, as you can see, what I typed shows up, and the page is called leftover items, just like I named it. So I'm going to click that off. We're not going to use this page. I'm just going to trash it. So if I click publish, it's going to show up in the home page, and it's going to be published so everybody can view it. But because we don't want anybody to view it, we're going to trash it. So you can add a page, and right here, you can, like for example, this is a about a page. I can do a quick edit. I can trash it. I can view it. Edit it is going to take you to the main page where you can do editing on the grand scale. See, I'm in the edited format. All information is already there. Or if I go back to pages and say I just want to make a quick edit, I just click on quick edit. I could basically edit the date, the time, what's the name of the page. I can make it private where people only have to log in. I can change it from being published to pending or draft. I want to leave it public. I can allow comments.